Hello Opals users. In this short tutorial, I'd like to introduce you to the 852 Subfield search tool. It's a very handy tool. I use it quite often, as do many of our sites. And the tool will go and examine your holding record, and let's say you'd like to look for what books have a prefix of ref or DVD or rare or professional or pro. It's helpful for that. Or if you'd like to see what books are in a certain location, if you have location turned on, and you'll see that I have location, so I could look for how many books and get a report of what has graphic or fiction, etc. So to access the tool, click the Administration tab, Reports and Tools. When this opens, you'll go to the Tools menu, and it'll be right at the very top, the 852 Subfield search. And here we are. I'll click the 852 Subfield search, and I'm going to look for what books in my collection have a prefix of DVD. By the way, you should use a lowercase letter here, as all subfields are always in lowercase. In the subfield data, capitalization doesn't matter. So I'm going to type in DVD as a prefix. Again, capitalization doesn't matter here, but it does here. It has to be lowercase for the subfield code. I'll click Search. And now, in a moment, this will pull up all my items that have DVD as a subfield K, i.e. the call number prefix. After clicking Search, the report comes up, and it shows that I have 20 items with DVD as a subfield K, i.e. prefix, and perhaps I have more DVDs and they weren't, and I know I have maybe 100 DVDs, so I could go and then address them and make sure that they all have the correct prefix. I could also search for a location. If you have location turned on, as I showed earlier, I can search for any books in certain locations. So this time I'll use a subfield C and I'll search for graphic. Click the search button and in a moment the report will open. The report is opened and we see on the far right the word graphic in the subfield C, i.e. the location. And I should point out that you can export this as a CSV file and use it digitally or print it out. It'd be quite a long file of 964 records, but the export is nice, as you could have a copy of what you did and maybe match it to your collection, etc. Another option would be to put an asterisk, Shift 8, and for the subfield C code. And let me just see how many in my collection have something as a location in the C by using the asterisk. So I'll click Search, and in a moment the report will open. The report is opened and I see that I have 10,037 items in my collection that have a subfield C location code. I should also point out, again, you can export this, or you can click the title, author, pub date, or call number, or barcode and sort those columns. I hope this clip is helpful, and you're always welcome to get a hold of our tech support if you have any questions. All the best.